I went to the store today because I was out of snacks. So I spent 360 in TD water. Supposedly you can drink the water from the tap, but let's just say I've been having to deal with Pepto-Bismol because it doesn't seem to be agreeing. I got pepper 34 in TD. I got these, they're like 34 in TD. Same with these, they run out because they're a little past date. So I got my pretzel things. And these were like 70 in TD, but they looked really good. They're raisin biscuits. These are 12 in TD each. These are rye biscuit and nutrition biscuits. So very, very cheap. And I got chocolate because I'm out, and that's a very bad decision. So I'm getting ready to go teach a class now, but I want to get it The bag was 5 in TD. Totally worth it to get across the street. And for lunch today, I went to the Compassion Cafe. It's just up the road. It's a beautiful little coffee shop and by a delightful lady who puts up her kids' paintings, which are lovely. I had the chicken rice dish with this amazing sauce and fresh greens. Oh my goodness. It was only 150 in TD. You could also get a strawberry waffle for 200 in TD. And they have a bunch of coffee drinks, but I just got water. But it was fabulous. I'm totally going back there. But that's my afternoon so far. I'm getting ready to teach.